If you want to turn on new follower push notifications in X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting so you can get notified whenever someone new follows your account. This is a simple but useful feature if you want to stay updated in real time, especially if you're growing your profile or managing a brand account. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This will open up the full menu with additional account options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account and notification controls. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click on Notifications. This section lets you customize the alerts you receive from X. Next, select Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune the type of notifications you want to see. After that, click on Push Notifications. This controls the alerts that appear on your device in real time. Now look for the option labeled New Followers. Simply toggle it on. Once this is enabled, you'll start getting push notifications whenever a new account follows you on X. That's all there is to it. No complicated setup, no extra tools, just a few quick clicks and your new follower notifications are turned on. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.